Okay.
They Don't Do Math in Texas by Callie Dacos.
Mm-hmm.
Kate used to live in Texas. I'd like to shoot her to the moon or into another galaxy whenever she says the word Texas. In Texas, Kate says, I was in 6th grade instead of just in 4th like I am here. In Texas, the kids stayed up all night watching television because school didn't start until 4 o'clock. In Texas, we only did math in kindergarten. Since we learned that once we learned that 1 plus 1 equaled 2, we never had to study math again. In Texas, we only went to school on Mondays and Fridays, and in every classroom had a popcorn machine, a drink machine, and a candy machine with 5 different flavors of chocolate bars and 6 choices of gum. In Texas, we ate chips and drank root beer while we did our schoolwork. In Texas, I was the smartest kid in the whole school. I always had A's in every subject. And for 5 years, I had never gotten 1 question wrong. In Texas, everyone was my friend. But my best friend was Jake. We practiced judo together, cooked our wild chili recipe for lunch, and painted the colors of the desert on canvas with our easels side by side. In Texas, wild horses roamed as free as the wind. For recess, we went for long rides in the sagebrush and over the mountains. We rode as long as we wanted to. And when we turned back, the sunsets lit up the entire sky with golden treasures. In Texas, I was pure gold, while here I'm just another rock. I kind of feel sorry for Kate, even though I'd like to blow her to the moon with the blink of my eye, if I could. I'd like to ride into the sagebrush at recess and see that golden sky and never do math again. But I really don't believe they have popcorn machines and drink machines and candy machines in every classroom. You'd have to go farther than Texas for that. You would probably have to go to another galaxy before you find a school that lets students drink root beer and eat chips while they do their work. I do hope Kate learns to like her new school before everyone in our class hates her. As for me, I'm asking my mom and dad to get new jobs in Texas, just in case.